How to enable Secure Boot in Windows 11. In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily enable or turn on Secure Boot on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Doing this will give you an extra layer of protection from malware and things like that. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So the first thing I'm going to do is simply show you how to see if Secure Boot is currently off on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. And to do that, all we need to do is select the Start button, then just type System Info. Go ahead and select System Information. And then in here, you should see Secure Boot State. And if it's off, that means you currently have it off and we need to enable it. So to enable it, it's very easy. Simply right-click the Start button on your taskbar and then select Settings. Once the settings open, select System in the left menu. And then all we need to do is scroll down until we see Recovery. Select that. And then you'll see Advanced Startup. Go ahead and select Restart Now. Confirm you do want to restart into Advanced Startup. Give it a second to get into Advanced Startup. It may reboot your computer. And if you're using a laptop for this, go ahead and make sure that it's plugged in. Once you see this blue screen here with Choose an Option, go ahead and select Troubleshoot and then Advanced Options. From there, select UEFI Firmware Settings. Go ahead and select Restart so that we get into the BIOS on our Windows 11 PC. You'll then enter the BIOS, and this is where it can get a little bit different depending on what type of computer you have. I have an Asus, but if you have a different computer, this may look a little bit different. So all we need to do now is find the settings. And for Asus on this computer, there's nothing that says settings, but it does say advanced mode. So I'm gonna select advanced mode with my mouse. And then once you get into the settings or advanced mode, whatever opens up the options, you need to be looking for Secure Boot. So for me, that's under Security. And then you'll see Secure Boot right here. I'll open that up. If I select that, you can see that Secure Boot Control is currently disabled. So you may not have it under Security on your computer, but I recommend going through all these different options until you see Secure Boot and then select it and select Enable. Once you've enabled Secure Boot, look for something that says Save. So mine says Save and Exit. Go ahead and select that. And then all we need to do is either select Save Changes or Save Changes and Exit. I'm going to select Save Changes and Exit, and that'll save the changes, enabling Secure Boot, and then reboot my computer so that I can start using it. So I'm going to select Save Changes and Exit. Go ahead and select OK to save the changes. It'll then go through the process of rebooting my Windows 11 PC or laptop, and then I can log in. Once I get logged in, I can go back to the system information, see Secure Boot is now on because I have enabled Secure Boot on my Windows 11 computer. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.